Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung energies for you. Blessings, opportunities, and good luck na parating sa loob ng isang taon from June 10, 2025 to June 29, 2026. Because meron tayong benefic na transit, Jupiter transit entering in the sign of Cancer starting June 10, 2025 at magtatapos yan sa June 29, 2026, so next year pa. And alam naman natin na Jupiter is the planet of abundance, exploration, expansion, good luck, and opportunities. Now, since papasok siya sa sign ng Cancer, exalted kasi siya. Ibig sabihin sa astrology, ito ay benefic. Ito rin yung parang ito yung happiest na sign para sa Jupiter, no? To be in this sign of Cancer kasi Cancer is nurturing, also supportive, emotional, and caring. So, talagang nasusuportahan niya yung plano or yung mga gusto ng energy ni Jupiter, which is about expansion, learning, wisdom, good fortune. So, this is a good opportunity for you to explore different areas of your life na kung saan mas mapapaunlad mo yung iyong kaalaman. So, for you, Capricorn, maaring makaresonate dito yung mga Capricorn rising, no? Kasi this is an astrology reading. Although, pwede rin namang makaresonate yung Capricorn Sun at Capricorn Moon. Ayan. So, for you Capricorn, itong transit na to, Jupiter is entering the sign of Cancer in your 7th house of relationships. So, for some of you, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang seryosong relationship. Itong time frame na to, if you are single, pwede ring mag-aasawa, no? Lalo na kung may jowa kayo, tapos you are planning to get married. So, itong time frame na to would be the best time for you to get into a very serious commitment. Also, halimbawa kayo naman ay kayo ng partner mo parang trying to get to know each other ng mga nakaraang buwan. Maaring magse-settle na kayo, like talagang papasok kayo sa isang committed relationship. At kung kayo naman ay meron ng partner, maaring mas lalo niyong palalakasin ang inyong connection sa isa't isa through travel. So, maaring kayong magta-travel or meron kayong i-explore na belief system, knowledge, pareho kayong mag-aaral. Marami kayong i-explore about spirituality or yung mga bagay na hindi nyo pa nagagawa together. Like, example, traveling together. Okay? So, meron tong positive aspect sa inyong third house of communication, your thoughts, your social media. Okay, isa-isain natin kasi ang daming pumapasok na messages sa akin This can be a business partnership para sa iba sa inyo. Okay? Yung iba naman, maaring you will receive support from your community. So, example, ikaw ay isang social media influencer, content creator, or someone who is in the public eye, nandun yung career path mo, then you will receive support from the people na naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Like, for example, dadami yung mga followers mo, subscribers mo, viewers mo sa social media. And then, maaari lang magkaroon ng challenge dito pagdating sa inyong mental health, okay? So, that's why it is important na alagaan nyo rin yung inyong mental health. Sa panahon naman ngayon, hindi na siya, parang hindi na siya iniiwasan pag-usapan. Unlike before na parang masyadong sensitive yung topic na yan. So, you really need to get into, parang kilalanin mo pa yung sarili mo on a deeper level. And if you need help, no, ask for help. Dahil meron namang tutulong sa'yo. Okay? 12 house is also about your spirituality. So, maari kasing meron kang mga, parang meron kang gustong i-explore, alamin na belief system, tapos hindi ka suportado ng ibang mahal mo sa buhay or family members dahil magkaiba kayo ng belief system. So, pwedeng isa yun sa maging challenge nga lang, no? But, if talagang nagre-resonate ka sa belief system na yon, like, example, divination, different forms of divination, law of attraction, at kung ano-ano pang belief system, then go for it. Kasi this is going to help you spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. Okay? So, let's see, ano pa? For Capricorn. Also, kung kayo ay merong court cases, no? Kayo mananalo. Papanig sa inyo. Oh my God, you have judgment. This is a good sign na makukuha mo yung justice na dine-deserve mo. Also, this is awakening assessment of your situation, kung ano yung makakabuti para sa'yo, ano yung hindi. Okay? So, you will have this realization. This is also rebirth. Kumbaga, bagong version mo. Mas pinatibay, mas pinatatag. Upgraded version of yourself. Wow, you have the world. This is your energy. The world is closing a chapter of your life and then starting something new, like beginning something. So, ito'y hindi siya nagko-close dahil failure siya. Nagko-close siya kasi na-accomplish mo na. Natapos mo na. 'Di ba? For example, yung project mo. Meron kang project na sinimulan mo a few months ago, a few years ago, and now it's closing kasi tapos na. Tapos na yung project na yon. Marami ka nang na-achieve, and it's time for you to reinvent yourself and start something new. You also have the Emperor. Wow, major arcana to. So, the Emperor is structure. You are building an empire. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong binubuong business or mabubuo na business within that time frame. This is also about discipline. So, talagang malaking ambag ng disiplina sa sarili, pagpaplano sa mga goals mo, kung paano ma-achieve yung goals mo. Malaking tulong yan para maisaayos mo, ma-organize mo yung mga task mo. You also have the Three of Wands. So, this is expansion. Some of you, pwedeng may opportunity to travel more, no? Ngayong June 10, 2025 hanggang next year of June. This can be local travels, no, for some of you. Bonding moments kasi to with the people you love, especially your romantic partner. Pwede rin tong mga business trips. So, maaring magkakaroon ka ng business trips, enjoying different places. You also have the Death card, which is about transformation. Wow. Major change to Capricorn, na. This is like parang monumental para sa'yo. Something na hindi siya yung hindi mo inaasahan. Pwedeng ganun din. Hindi mo inaasahan yung pagbabago na to. And at the same time, you will be open to this. Kailangan kasi open ka sa change para ma-experience mo yung change and new beginnings, diba? So, there's a new beginning coming in sa'yo. This can be a major partnership. Balance, ayan. So, kung magiging very busy ka, you are going to balance your time, energy, and your effort sa mga bagay na importante for you. You also have source. You're very much connected to the source. Some of you very spiritual na talaga. You have abilities to heal people, to help other people, and to give advice na rin sa ibang tao, no? You also have the inner child energy. So, you are healing your inner child, Capricorn. Maaring yung mga experiences na gusto mong maranasan nung bata ka, ngayon mo siya gagawin. Ngayon mo siya kaya ng i-accomplish para sa sarili mo. Let's say, nung bata ka, hindi ka makapag-travel or wala kang sasakyan. But now, you can enjoy that, no? Yung mga sa tingin mo ay na-deprive sa'yo ng bata ka. Patience. It is safe to wait. Yes. There are times na minamadali natin yung mga nasimulan natin or yung mga changes na yan, but it's a process na kailangan mong pagdaanan para talagang ramdam na ramdam mo yung pagbabago. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you.